Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to Kodistan. I am Shadjil Akram and today we have an exciting video for you. But before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get latest updates. Today we are going to talk about rating bar in Flutter. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced developer, this video has something for everyone. So stay tuned. Now let's get started. Let's move on.
First of all, we create a class with the name of home screen. I already created a class with the name of home screen. Then after that, we open Google Chrome and go to pub.dev and search for our required package. Our required package is Flutter rating bar. We copy Flutter rating bar package from pub.dev and paste in our pubspec.yaml file below the Cupertino icon. And then after that we pubget our project. After that, when the exit code is 0, we go to our home screen and inside our home screen body we take rating bar.builder. Inside rating bar.builder, we know that atom builder and on rating update is required. So we take atom builder inside rating bar.builder and as return we take icon, which we take icon as star, because we know that mostly we use star as rating or for rating purpose. For on rating update, we declare a variable with the name of rating bar value, which data type is double or whose data type is double, and his initial value is 0.0 and assigns it to our own rating update as local variable, which we declare inside on rating update with the name of new value. After set state, we run our project after resizing our screen size and see our project is working. We wrap our rating bar.builder with center widget. For half rating, we use property allow half rating and make it true, because it takes true or false, mean to say it takes bool value. Thanks for watching the complete video. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get latest updates. Fi Imanillah.